After the Windows 11.25 H2 update, a lot of players, including me, started facing stuttering in almost every game. The weird part is, the FPS never dropped, everything looked normal, but the gameplay still felt choppy and laggy, like tiny frame skips happening even though the numbers look perfect. After digging around a bit, I realized it isn't just me, it's actually a worldwide issue. Nvidia also confirmed it officially, and they released a driver update for it. That new driver, the 581.94, basically fixes the issue for most people. But in some rare cases, the problem still exists for a few users. Anyways, before this driver update came out, I had already tried a bunch of things that completely fixed the stuttering for me. And honestly, these are the kind of basic tweaks every gamer should do before playing any game. So yeah, I'll share everything here. Maybe it helps you too. Let's get started. The first thing, like I mentioned, Nvidia released new drivers, and that alone fixes around 95% of the problem because that was the main cause. So update your drivers. If you use the Nvidia app, just open it from the tray icon, go to the driver section, and update from there. If there's an update available, you'll see the download button immediately. In my case, it's already up to date. You can also use the website method. Just search your GPU model like 1660 Super, choose your operating system, Windows 11 or Windows 10, and click on Find. After that, it will show the latest driver. Just verify the details and click Download. Gamers usually go with the GRD driver because it's optimized for gaming and gives you the lowest latency. Editors can use the studio driver because that's better for editing work. And if you do both, then honestly, GRD is still the better option. Anyways, update and restart your PC. After that, check your games. Hopefully your main stuttering/choppy issue will already be gone. Now, these are the steps I performed before the Nvidia fix came out, and these really helped me. Even if in the future this kind of stutter comes back, these steps are worth trying. So let's continue. First thing is overlays. Disabling overlays helps a lot, especially on low-end PCs. Extra overlays like Steam, Discord, Xbox Game Bar, MSI Riva Tuner, all these things keep attaching themselves to the game and mess with frame pacing. Turn off whatever you don't need. Next thing is disabling full screen optimization. Just find your game's .exe file, right-click, Properties, go into Compatibility. If you're using a single main user account, then just check the box there. Otherwise, click Change Settings for all users and check Disable full screen optimizations from inside. Oh, and there's another option called Change High DPI Settings. Click that, then enable Override High DPI Scaling Behavior. Choose Application from the dropdown and click OK. By the way, this is Valorant, and Valorant has two main executable files that run together. I covered both of those in a previous video. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check that one out too. Next thing is graphics settings. Just search graphics settings in Windows, open it, click on Add Desktop App, select your game, and set it to high performance so it uses your external GPU. That's it. Lastly, open Nvidia Control Panel. You can access it from the tray icon. Right-click the Nvidia icon, open Nvidia Control Panel. Inside it, go to Adjust Image Settings with Preview and drag the slider toward Performance. After that, go into Manage 3D Settings on the left side. Make sure you're on Global Settings. Scroll down, find Low Latency Mode, set it to Ultra, click Apply, and close it. Now for some in-game settings. You can change these according to your spec or your needs, but the main thing that actually worked here is FPS capping. I suggest if you have a 60 Hz monitor, cap around 120 FPS. If you have 165 to 280 Hz monitors, cap somewhere around 300 to 400. I honestly have no clue why this works, even for people whose PC doesn't generate that much FPS, but still capping fixes the lag. It's like some weird internal pacing thing that gets corrected as soon as you set a cap.
And now, finally, I know many people will disagree with me that randomly capping FPS shouldn't fix anything, but trust me, there's proof. If you've played PUBG PC or GTA 5, you know how many people face stuttering even on high end systems. But the moment they cap the FPS around 300 to 400, the lag magically goes away. So if you don't have those games installed, maybe check with someone who plays them. You'll hear the same thing. And, anyways, it's a super quick test, doesn't take any time, and the results are usually noticeable instantly. That's it, guys. Hopefully, these steps will help you out and see if your stuttering gets fixed. I'm honestly waiting for your feedback. Let me know how it worked for you.